Hi, I'm Alison Board. I'm an artist in the UK. I'm representing Schmincke artist colours from Germany. Today I want to talk to you about how to make ordinary oil colours water mixable. An often asked question is, why does Schmincke not have a water-soluble oil colour in their range of Mussini, Norma Professional, Academy Oil and College Oil? Some artists do not want to use solvents when diluting their colours and cleaning their brushes and tools. The answer is simple. Schmincke offers a simple medium, the medium W, which makes any oil and resin oil colour water mixable and ensures that brushes and tools can be cleaned with only water afterwards. The use of solvents is completely superfluous due to the medium W. And the big advantage is that the painter can simply continue to use his existing oil paints and needs only one medium to change the properties of the whole range. Easy to use and perfect in its effect, if required, the medium W, unlike solvents, can also be carried on an aircraft. Medium W is available in liquid form in a glass bottle, while the medium W gel is in a tube and has a gel-like consistency. The liquid medium W in the bottle must be shaken well before use. Of course, this is not necessary with the gel. The application of both products is the same. 2 parts of oil colour are mixed with 1 part of medium W on a palette. If desired, water can now be added for further dilution. Now you can paint as usual with the oil colours. The medium W increases the gloss and transparency of the oil colour, harmonises the drying process and is low odour. Don't be surprised, in the undried state, i.e. when mixing and applying paint, the oil paints mixed with medium W and water initially show a colour shift. The mixture becomes slightly milky. The effect depends on the colour of the oil colour and the amount of water added. The following applies. The darker the oil colour and the higher the amount of water, the lighter the still wet colour appears. This also occurs with ready-to-use water-mixable oil colours. As soon as the colour dries, the milky veil disappears and the colour shines with the usual intensity and brilliance. After completion of the work, the second advantage of medium W becomes apparent. You can simply clean your brushes, spatulas, etc. with water and soap. You do not need any solvents to remove the colour residue. Oil painting suddenly becomes odorless and solvent-free with medium W, whether using liquid or gel. So if you're thinking about using oil paints without solvents in the future, I can recommend medium W. The liquid medium W is available in bottles of 60 ml, 120 ml and 1 litre, and as medium W gel in tubes of 35 ml and 120 ml.